So welcome back to part 2 of the Crazy What Love Can Do remake. Today we're going to be doing the chorus, and in the last part we did the verses and builds, which we're going to take a quick listen to now.
Wrap me up in diamonds, cover me in gold, but nothing they could buy me made my heart whole. Giving up on romance, then I found you. Ain't it crazy what love can do? Crazy what love can do. Can someone tell me what is happening to me? You're my oxygen, now I can find breathe. Didn't care for anyone until there was you. Ain't it crazy what love can do? Crazy what love can do.
So that's what we did in the last part. If you haven't seen that video, I'd recommend going to watch it just because you can learn all the chords and stuff that we're going to use today. Alright, so we're going to start things with this remake with the bass sound. And this is the first preset on its own playing this MIDI. The preset's called FM. You can get it from Car Music Vol.1, and just straight off the bat when I listened to this song I knew it had some sort of like FM harmonics in there, so perfect preset to just grab and drag and drop. Next up we've got another FM preset called Effeminator from Main Stage Vol.1. Now this sounds really aggressive because I've turned on some distortion here, just on this setting here, and just really boosted the drive so you get an aggressive tone. And with these settings, it's kind of giving you like an old school future house bass. But then we add in this preset called Head, which is from Piano House Vol.1. And this gives you a real kind of UK house sound. Then we've got this preset, which is just a monstrous preset. It's called Chain from Car Music Vol.4. And this gives the sound a lot more depth. It just sounds really big when you've got it on. So when it's played alongside the other sounds, it sounds like this. And then finally we've got the Brasileirinho preset from Main Stage Vol.1, which just adds a lot of noisy kind of texture. So to get more attack and kind of glued feeling to the sound, what we've got is a CLA compressor. Doing really heavy compression, about -7 dB. So this is how it sounds alongside the vocals. So now moving on to the drums, we've got the kick here, which is from Main Stage Vol.1. We're then following that with some claps, which are from Main Stage Vol.1. We've got 2 layers here to do this. And those little changes here in the pre-shift and stuff really give you a smacky sound. So if you grab a clap that's got a bit of that pre-shift, it gives you a proper smacky clap. But the processing is actually really simple. We've just got, again, a CLA compressor. So next up, the piano chords get introduced on this kind of second half here of the chorus. So they're just getting low passed in, again using the same Love filter. We then also reintroduce the Reese bass from the last part, just taking those last notes here as well. Now we've got a crash as well from Car Music Vol.4 to really mark the start of the chorus. We're then adding in some more effects in the form of snares, which we've taken from the previous part, and I've just kind of chopped it up so it's a smaller kind of section of the snares. And then we've doubled up on all these clap fills as well, so you've just got 4 of them. Then we've got a classic 4 on the floor house kind of crash here, just being repeated right before we head into verse 2. And then a sweep from Fish in the Lake Vol.2 to kind of add to that tension before. And then finally some endless smile, so we drown out all the lows, and as you head into verse 2 it's kind of a lot smoother. So the arrangement in this song is quite different in the sense that the choruses are really short, and then it's not until I think the last chorus of the 3 that you get like a double kind of length one. But that is pretty much it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, make sure you smash the like button. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next ones.
Wrap me up in diamonds, cover me in gold, but nothing they could buy me made my heart whole. Giving up on romance, then I found you. Ain't it crazy what love can do? Crazy what love can do. Can someone